Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. So today we have a very important lecture on CRT. I give you this model that basically work on all asset class, but specifically you have to focus on Euro USD. Okay. So these happen in a month 2 or 3 time, 4 time on the best setup. So you have to focus on the high time frame. It's a very high win rate setup. So make sure you watch this video till the end. It's a very important video. The credit goes to the Romeo, the author of the CRT. So what is basically this is CRT 159. What does it mean? CRT called a candle range theory. Okay, and 159 is represent the candle time on New York time, UTC -4. We will be always on 4-hour time frame. Okay, and each candle then represent 4 hours. Okay, 4-hour price action. So we have, if you see, if you start from anywhere from here, this is a 1 a.m., 5 a.m., 9 a.m., then 1 p.m., 5 p.m., 9 p.m. Same like 1 a.m., 5 a.m. and 9 a.m., then 1 p.m. Okay, so we in a day we have a 6 candles. So we are going to find a best setup on that 6 candles and mostly watch on our the AM sessions like 1, 5, 9. Okay, so basically what you have to do, you have to find out any candle that can be a 1 p.m. candle, that can be a 1 a.m. candle, 5 a.m., 5 p.m., 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. candle, high and low, with the confluence that you have another liquidity area except this candle here on the left side with the key level. That key level can be your fair value gap, that can be your order block in your discount or premium. Okay, with that confluence you will find a higher win rate on this setup. Okay, that's the important thing. Second thing, not always the second candle will take the liquidity and give you a reaction. It can happen that many candles will range on this candle, specific candle. Okay, range the area, consolidate, and then take the liquidity. By the last candle it only can go to the target area. Okay, so let me show you some examples here. We have this 9 a.m. candle. Okay, and we will mark out the high and the low of this candle, right? If you see closely, we have these relative equal lows here, right? And before is that we have a inversion fair value gap, a bullish fair value gap, right? The BPR here. Okay, why these key level or this fair value gap have high probability? Because it's also took the liquidity here, and itself if you see, this was the 1 a.m. candle, this was the 5 a.m. candle, and perfect CRT, right? It's work everywhere. If you see here, if you go beyond it, these also. Sorry, here, perfect setup, perfect setup. So what we have to do after 4 hours, that's the important thing. We will go to 15 minute. Before I go to a 15 minute, I want to show you one thing also here. Let's say we have this low, we have this high, right? We are coming from upside, we sweep, we shift into the 15 minute, right? After the change in the state of delivery means the last candle that close upside, another green candle that close upside, we will take entry from when the price retest on that. Okay, and then going on to the opposite direction. Let's say you miss the trade, then you wait for the kiss of death, means a fake change of character or break of structure before the objective has been wrecked. So you wait, and that's how the case of death also work. Okay, so we shift into the 15-minute time frame, and we will wait to price react on our level. Asian range, market sweep in the London opening, right, 315, and close above of this candle that took the liquidity of the relative equal low and also tap on the inversion fair value gap, right? So we will put our limit here, stop loss below that, target opposite side or the other relative equals. If you take this trade with the trend, you can hold it until your higher to higher time frame objective did not meet. Still our objective is valid, right? See here, very important thing. See the price, how it's coming to their level. As you remember the saying that price will always first consolidate, make a more bunch liquidity before it's touched to their key level. If you are seeing there, here is become the resistance of the traders. Okay, and from here price is giving a bunch of liquidity, the trend line, the wedge or whatever that, okay, BS and price touch your entry here, okay, and then you have to wait for your target, hold it. As you can see here, it's reach all the way to the upside. Okay, so now we go to another example. Let's say we took this. Okay, we have two beautiful lows, okay, of this candle, relative equals highs. We have low here, we have a area of demand, breaker, okay. Shift into the 15-minute time frame. Price go close below. Let's say you close below here. We take the entry from here. Stop loss above of this area. Let's say you miss this entry, right? Then on the next day you are bearish, right? Because price touch our key area, change in the state of delivery, and here you see the fake break of structure or chalk, but we got the support here, resistance here in this breaker in this order block breaker, this FVG, and then price give us reaction from here. Also I will show you the kiss of death before it's achieve its as you can see, price did not achieve their objective. We got a one high here. Price should go to that high, become the relative equal highs, sweep from here. This fair value gap become inversion, then you take entry from here. Yeah, it's close. Sorry about this. Stop loss above high and objective. Okay. There are more and more examples are there. You have to backtest on it. Let's go to this example, and these all setups already Romeo shown on their Twitter account. You can see from there. Have a very good win rate. The main thing on this setup is that you have to be patient. See, we have this low, okay, and price will consolidate on this area, consolidate one day whole. And give you a reaction. Okay, change in the state of delivery, long position, target below, give beautiful liquidity, right? And if there is news, give some gap here as well. Okay, because it can intend to take your liquidity from here, and it can directly go all the way to the upside, if you can see. Okay, everywhere is CRT, only you have to focus on it and wait. The most important point is the wait. Liquidity, sweep, fair value gaps, boom, sweep, boom, sweep, boom, like that. In the trend, sweep, boom, sweep, boom. News candle low, news candle high. So in this strategy, basically you have to mostly wait only. In the next video, I will also share my this week profit and loss on my instant funding account. And second thing, if you don't have any good prop firm, cheap one, instant funding, I will give you the link in the description. So make sure you join from there, and kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Best of luck.